Hello and welcome to the Abbreviated Student Education Plan Workshop. My name is Diana Bonilla-Hine, counselor at Los Angeles Mission College, and this is brought to you by the General Counseling Department. We're so glad you're here today. Welcome to Los Angeles Mission College. You are now an eagle who will soar to great and high places. Our mission is your success, and so in order to accomplish a mission, you need a plan, a roadmap, and this is why the educational plan is so important. So today, we will start that plan and help you find out what classes you should take in your first semester. Later, you will make an appointment with the counselor to expand this plan beyond one semester and hopefully give you a clear and guided comprehensive plan that will get you to your educational goal, whether that be a certificate, an associate's degree, or an associate's degree for transfer. We will be going through this presentation, which should last about 30 minutes. You can feel free to pause and play throughout the presentation to give you some time to think about the questions on this form and make sure that you answer them to the best of your ability. Please do your best to answer all the questions. Once this presentation is done, please wait to submit the form and make sure you've gone through all of the modules in the Canvas shell to ensure that you have completed the form as best as possible. Once you are finished with the modules in this workshop, you will be directed to submit your form. Please have your cell phone handy if you're on your laptop, and also a pen and notepad to jot down any notes as we go through the presentation. You may want to jot down a few courses that we will recommend that you can take for your major and general education. Things you will need before we begin: your student ID, which starts with an 88 or 900 number, a notepad to take notes, and a pen and pencil, and also a cell phone to follow along on the form, or a separate tab opened on your computer. We will be beginning the presentation shortly. See you soon, and thank you so much.